We took a client from 0 to 200K months using TikTok and Facebook ads. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how we ended up taking them from 0 to 200K months on average using a combination of both TikTok organic strategies and Facebook retargeting strategies. And it's an incredible way to be able to maximize your overall sales volume to really achieve success with your online store. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, they literally did about $699,000 in the first 3 months of 2022, and that's about $233,000 on average per month, and it's only growing from here. And specifically, what really allowed us to achieve such incredible results in such a short time frame is really focusing in on a two-part strategy that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to walk through month by month just to give you an idea of how this progress actually started. So they did $341,000 the first month of January, and you'll notice specifically that a lot of the traffic came from TikTok. About 115,000 users specifically came from TikTok, and that's an incredible number of people considering that all of that was primarily organic traffic coming directly from TikTok. And so what they ended up doing was they were actually making posts daily on their TikTok organic account, so that way they can actually build up their community and build a following. And this is really important because people are actually engaging with their posts and finding out who they are and discovering their brand through their TikTok organic page. And the result of this was lots of people started to engage and wanted to actually buy their product because they were doing product demonstration videos, they were explaining it against their competitors, and it actually solved a problem in the market. And so lots of individuals were not only engaging with their TikTok content, but visiting their actual website. And all of this traffic that was actually coming to their site started to convert. We literally had 110,000 in sales coming from TikTok, and that is absolutely incredible if you think about it. And a lot of this was, customers who were brand new to the actual, business online. And so the main thing here is we use the TikTok organic strategy to front load the overall, site, so that way we can get as many people to the site as possible to actually make a purchase. And a lot of this also included viral videos. There was a few viral videos that resulted in a pop. In fact, we cover this in this video right here where we go over the actual viral formula that we were using to get these results. And once we go to February, you'll notice that there is about a 50% drop, and that's primarily due to 1, selling out of inventory, and 2, not having any viral videos that were really producing a lot of volume for the actual store. But what we started to do here was we started to focus in on our Facebook retargeting efforts. So we had already placed a tracking script on the actual site to track people from Facebook ads, and we started to retarget all the individuals coming from TikTok with Facebook retargeting ads. And this allowed us to increase the overall returning customer rate here. This is really important because you want to increase your customer returning rate because this allows people to not only buy from you once, but return and start to buy from you multiple times. This is great if you're in the apparel space, if you sell something that people actually eat or drink, or if you just sell something that, is a recurring item like a candle that people are always, buying on a monthly basis. Getting a returning customer rate going is really great because you can start to bring back previous customers. And that's where the retargeting strategy started to really play in, is not only converting the traffic from TikTok, but also getting those current customers to come back once again. And so our conversion rates really increased because we started to focus in on all of the people who had hit the site organically speaking. And you'll start to notice that the traffic dropped very heavily from TikTok from the previous month. And the main focus then became the Instagram sales. You'll see there's a 230% increase because we put so much focus into the actual retargeting strategy on Facebook, which I'm going to break down those audiences very soon. And then we get into the next month, and this is where March, we increased sales up to nearly 200,000 here at an 18% increase, and the online store conversion rate increased again all the way to a 6.4%. You'll notice that the returning customer rate jumped to a 25.43%, and you'll also see that TikTok traffic is still a primary driver, but Instagram is just up there with it and is growing because we're putting so much emphasis on those retargeting ads. And Instagram, once again, continuing to grow in the overall sales volume. So you'll start to really notice that there is a two-part strategy at play here, and it's really important because not only are we leveraging one platform where there's underpriced attention, where you can literally get free traffic, but also using a platform that's been pre-established, that has been shown to prove, actually getting consistent conversions like Facebook, where we can actually run those Instagram ads to retarget all these, TikTok individuals that are visiting the site. And when we look at where we are now for April so far, month to date, already at $64,000, 35% up month over month. And not only that, but the returning customer rate continues to grow because, once again, I'm sure you know it, the retargeting ads. And we'll come down here and we'll see that Instagram is now the bulk carrier here for overall sales volume. And Instagram is now not only the main traffic driver. So now we have two platforms that we are establishing, a presence on, but we're also really maximizing the overall algorithm used on Facebook to really convert a lot of these individuals. And another thing you'll notice is conversion rate, once again, is exploding because we're getting more and more precise with our targeting. We're getting better and better customers. We're getting people to return. And we're not just worrying about, driving overall new customer growth because we've done so much on all these months that now we have such a big top of funnel that we're trying to convert all of these individuals, and this strategy is really working well. And in fact, we do this with our other clients as well, and lots of individuals will actually go through our Ads Mastery one-on-one training where we actually teach them exactly what strategies to use and how to actually maximize their overall results just like this. So if you are interested in our one-on-one ads mastery, be sure to DM me the word mentor at Real Chase Chappell on Instagram. So we're in the Facebook Ads Manager now for one of our clients, and you can see that this month so far, from April 1st to the actual 9th, there's about 207 purchases that have been reported in Facebook, and you'll see that the average cost per conversion is around $15, and we've spent about $3,000 so far this month, and that number is only growing. And right now, we're spending on average about $450 daily on the retargeting campaign, strictly looking to not only convert the people that are coming from the TikTok organic and actually hitting the site, but also the people who have already visited the site or added to cart, which is our middle of funnel. People who initiated checkout, people who actually, have added to cart, who are viewing content, which is actually looking at different product pages. And we're also focusing on the returning customers. So it's about a 30-30 split here where we're really looking at maximizing top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel, which is people who have already actually converted before and getting them to actually return and come back multiple times. Lots of individuals actually forget and miss out on this audience, and there's so much opportunity to be able to bring these customers back and make them a returning customer for life, which really allows you to grow your overall business and sales volume over many months and being able to actually hit scale where not only are you achieving 6 figures per month, but all the way up to 7 figures per month. That is what the big brands understand. And if you're just starting out, these are the strategies that you can leverage to really kickstart, your overall business. And I want you to imagine what this would be able to do for your brand if you were able to achieve such incredible growth in such a short amount of time, being able to go from 0 to 200K months on average every single month. And what would that change for you and your business? Would that, provide a better lifestyle for you? Would you be able to expand as fast as you would like to? Would that allow you to do the things that you truly want to do? You see, these are the things that we're doing for our clients, and we're really excited to be able to actually achieve incredible results like these using strategies that we've developed over the years at our agency, where we've spent the last 8 years really focusing in on being able to help businesses and brands scale their actual online stores, as well as B2B, local, and we're literally seeing incredible results on the TikTok ad side for lead-based businesses as well. So this isn't just an e-commerce based strategy. We're literally seeing similar results in all verticals. So if you really enjoyed this video, I do hope you give it a like and subscribe because we really try hard to deliver as much information as possible to you, and it really does help the algorithm. And if you want to see how we took brands like Curtis from 0 to 2 million in sales, then definitely check out this video, as well as Mike here, where he literally went from 0 to 50K months. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, then I know you're an ambitious learner and you're looking for more. So go ahead and click this video here. I hand selected it for you.